We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Statistics and Probability. The problem is related to the concepts of mean and variance of the given observations. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 29th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, let the mean and the variance of 5 observations x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 be 24 by 5 and 194 by 25 respectively. If the mean and variance of the first 4 observations are 7 by 2 and a respectively, then 4a plus x5 is equal to. We are given 4 options. Option A 13, option B 15, option C 17, option D 18. We are given 5 observations x1, x2, x3, x4. The mean and variance of these 5 observations are given to be 24 by 5 and 194 by 25 respectively. And if the mean and variance of the first 4 observations x1, x2, x3, x4 are given to be 7 by 2 and a respectively, then required to find the value of 4a plus x5. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have 5 observations x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. We are given 24 by 5 and 194 by 25 are respectively the mean and the variance of the above 5 observations. Let us recall, if we have n observations x1, x2, xn, then the mean is given by x1 plus x2 plus xn whole by n, the sum of the observations by the number of observations denoted by x bar. And the variance is denoted by sigma square is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi square by n minus x bar square. Let's go back to our question. Now the mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi by 5. It is given to be 24 by 5. And this will imply sigma xi I is equal to 1 to 5 is equal to 24 after cancelling the denominator 5. Let's call this as the equation 1. The variance sigma square is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square by 5 minus x bar square. And x bar is 24 by 5. So sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square by 5 minus 24 by 5 whole square is equal to 194 by 25. Send this 24 by 5 whole square to the right hand side. Then it will be sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square by 5 is equal to 194 by 25 plus 24 by 5 whole square. This is 576 by 25. After simplification, we get 154 by 5. And this will imply sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square is equal to 154 after cancelling the denominator. And let's call this as the equation 2. We continue in the next slide. We have sigma xi and sigma xi square for I is equal to 1 to 5. Let's call them as the equations 1 and 2. Now, we consider only the first 4 observations. And it is given 7 by 2 and a are respectively the mean and variance of the first 4 observations, namely x1, x2, x3, x4. Then mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi by 4 is equal to 7 by 2 Now, after clearing the LCM, you will get sigma I is equal to 1 to 4, xi is equal to 14. Agreed. Now the sum of the observations, the sum of the 5 observations is 24. The sum of the first 4 observations is 14. Therefore, the 5th observation is sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi minus sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi, that is 24 minus 14, that is equal to 10. x5 we got it. Agreed. Now the variance for the 4 observations, the first 4 observations, is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi square by 4 minus x bar square. Here x bar is 7 by 2. So substitute 7 by 2 whole square is equal to variance is given to be A. So we have written the A here. So this will be sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi square by 4 is equal to A plus 49 by 4. 7 by 2 whole square sending to the right hand side. So take the LCM. It will be 4a plus 49 by 4. Clear the LCM, that is cancelling the 4. You will get a sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi square is equal to 4i plus 49. Agreed. Now, sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square. The squares of the observations in the first 5 observations minus the squares of the first 4 observations, that is equal to 154 minus in brackets 4a plus 49. This is 154 minus 49 will be 105 minus 4a. So when you subtract sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square minus sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 xi square, then you will get x5 square. The square of the 5th observation is equal to 105 minus 4a. So the 5th observation x5 is, we have already found, this is 10. So 10 square is equal to 105 plus minus 4a. So this will imply 4a is equal to 105 minus 100, that is 5. And required to find 4a plus x5. 4a is 5, x5 is 10, x5 is 10. So 5 plus 10, 15. So 4a plus x5 is the one what we are required to find, and the answer is 15. So let's look at our options. Our answer 15 appears against option B. Therefore, the answer to this question is 15. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section statistics and probability, and which is related to the mean and variance. And this is definitely easy question. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.